My name is Christine O'Connell, and I've been involved with Heroic for 2 or 3 years. Obviously, I'm committed to Heroic. I wouldn't put a name Heroic on my arm if I wasn't. Life was not what I wanted it to be, certainly. And I was also working with folks who struggle with significant addiction. So for myself, it took me from being at a place where things were okay to feeling like I was much more connected to myself, moving much more efficiently towards the things that I wanted in life. And then for the folks that I was working with, I started just infusing some of the Heroic principles into the conversations, and people really responded to it. And the ones that did moved much more quickly through their recovery. That was really powerful for me to see and witness, and I was just really honored to be a part of that as well. This is my first in-person workshop. There's no substitute in our brain for a supportive person. We can do so much on our own, but things click into place a lot faster when we have the right support around us. Obviously, I've gotten that from this event, and hearing Brian speak in person, it's just very meaningful because of his ability to tie disparate ideas together and inspire the people around him. Some of the things that you could gain are just a much more rich understanding of the information by virtue of seeing other people express it and who they are. You'll get the support of the community. You'll get to interact with a team that really, A, knows what it's doing, and B, really cares about the people. You'll get an ineffable sense of connection. If you're even thinking about it, come. It will be a really good time. You'll get something out of it that you'll take with you for the rest of your life.